Hi everyone, welcome to this video. This is a post that's here, but not as we usually know it. This is very different, and I'm really excited about this because it's something special. I've had it here for about, well, 2 weeks or so, but I've had that much stuff to do, that many videos to do, that many different jobs, that I've not had time to even look at it. But it's something that I'm going to use for my projects, hopefully, my YouTube projects, and it should be very useful, and I hope you like it. Let's just rip this thing open. Do you know what it is yet? It is a 3D printer. So I'm going to make this thing, well, not make it, but you know, build it together, put it together, whatever. And I'm really excited about this. So there's a, looks like a stepper motor. Loads of stepper motors. What's this? An LCD with something, like a display of some sort. What else have we got here? We've got loads of bits and pieces. Motherboard support column. More stuff there. Some, I don't know what that's called, to be honest. A CD or DVD. Power supply. A very big power supply as well. I wonder how many amps that is. 20 amps! Oh, 12 volts, 20 amps. That's 240 watts if I remember rightly. Okay, cool. So that's the power supply for it. What else have we got here? Spool. I don't know what that is. I suppose that goes through the centre of the spool, maybe. A little fan. Some tools. Power plug. They've written power plug on, just in case you don't know what it is. If you don't know what that is and you need a label, then you shouldn't really be buying one of these things. Let's see what's underneath. So what have we got here? We've got some board thing. What does it say? XZ frame. CTC Y1341. And this isn't made of plastic, this is made of looks like plywood actually. It looks like it's made of ply, so that's interesting. Still some pieces here that haven't been cut out properly. I assume that's where the fan goes. It's interesting how they've made this actually. Look, there's little pieces here that haven't been cut out. Oh, they've been cut laser or something, it looks like. I don't know. Anyway, so there's something. I assume that's the front or something. Put that down there. Let's see what else we've got here. Borosilicate glass. Some side pieces, it looks like. I mean, it's a bit weird that, you know, I've bought this thing and I have to assemble it myself, but I bought it knowing that, and I think that's quite cool actually, because I actually want to build a thing myself. I wouldn't, you know, as much as I'd like to buy one fully assembled, I think it's really interesting that you can buy your own stuff, you know, buy your own parts and make it yourself. Yeah, I really like that idea. What else we got here? A board, control board. So that's the, I think that's the motherboard maybe. Some more, well, whatever this is. Yeah, I think these are laser cut. I don't see how else that could have been cut like that. Still got some pieces in it, but I think that's where the well, whatever it is just not cut through it properly. Anyway, USB cable. So I paid just over 90 quid for this, £90. £93 for free delivery as well, and that's ridiculously cheap. I bought it from Germany. I didn't get it from the UK because the UK ones were £99. From Germany, yeah, 90. I think it was 93. What's this here? PCB heat bed Mark 2A. Hot zone, do not touch. Hot zone, do not touch. Before touching, power off the heat pad and wait at least 10 minutes. It's weird that they heat the PCB up. Why would they heat the PCB up? I don't know. It looks like it's got a temperature sensor underneath it as well. I don't know though. Who knows? But yeah, it looks like it's been partly assembled, which is quite cool, I suppose. There's a belt there to pull the thing along. Another stepper motor. Yeah, how cool is this? What else have we got here? We've got some bits of cable, some washers, some paper. They're used for papers and folders, I think. Okay, cool. So we've got that. What's this side thing? Another stepper motor. And something else which I don't know exactly what that is. Anyway, let's start putting this stuff back. So yeah, so that's what I bought. Now I can't wait to use it, but I've got that many things to do that it's not going to be possible anytime soon. Try and put these things back. I think that was there. This was, I think that was just on the top there. Yeah, so won't be able to do this anytime soon, but hopefully I can get to it as soon as possible. So in a few weeks, hopefully, just put this back on here. So yeah, so I've got some ideas for this thing already. I've been playing about designing, designing boxes and whatever else, and cases, plastic cases and stuff. And what I'm thinking for the first project, I'm going to make a case for this, and this is the lithium ion cell capacity checker. So I've got a couple of things to do, like add the MOSFET and the buzzer and stuff like that. But yeah, after I've got a lot of these projects out of the way, this thing is going to be next. So I'm going to start building this up. Then I'll go through how to design cases and all that sort of stuff, and then hopefully I'll record the first production. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'll put this stuff down. So that's my new toy, if you like. Yeah, so this is what's coming. See you soon.